Hi, folks. This is episode 2, and it's called The Toy Raid.
Bear!
Whoa! It all starts with Woody. I'm a superhero.
Charlie Brown!
I'm the nervous one, Charlie Brown.
Punch him ball!
Punch a glove. Jumping jack, hit him.
Big red dog!
Clifford. Hi, I'm Clifford the Big Red Dog.
Sonic the Hedgehog!
I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. Spin dash.
Spider-Man!
Oh. I'm a big fat Spider-Man.
Some Cars fan bear!
I'm a Cars fan bear. I love cars.
Some dumb-looking remake of Spider-Man!
Hi, I'm Spider-Man.
A bear that
Look at
crushes
this.
Spider-Man!
Whoa! I crushed Spider-Man.
Batman!
I'm Batman. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool
Baby
when you're
sister.
part of the team. Everything is awesome.
The biggest of them all!
And in the end,
Baby sister! Duh, 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 duh.
Save! It's dragon! The dragon!
The only thing that can defeat baby sister is the dragon. Dun dun dun.
John.
Now, go!
End of episode 2.